Turn on the vehicle. Open the app. Click on Settings. Confirm the vehicle owner binding. Click Locating Vehicle. Turn on the function switch. Click Set to jump to Find My. Click Add Items. Click Other Supported Items. Start searching for vehicles. Click Connect. Set the name and icon. Click Agree. Start binding. Click Finish. Confirm the binding is successful. Click Settings. Click Locating Vehicle. Turn off the location function switch. Turn on the Find My. Find the bound vehicle. Slide to the bottom. Click Remove Item. Click Remove again. The binding has been successfully removed. Confirm that the vehicle is turned on. Reset the positioning function by squeezing the brake 5 times in a row, and then briefly pressing the power button. Repeat the above binding steps again.